Hello friends, this is Tech to Know, and today I am again giving you a review about some applications which are very great, and they have been consolidated by me, and they are very great apps. So let's get started. It's Tech to Know. So let's get started. So these are the basic apps which I use and they are very great apps. So first, the wallpaper app. The wallpaper app which I am using is known as wallpaper QHD app, and in this you can see that there is a different great collections of apps which normally we get, and these are you can choose at anyone. If I would choose this one, you can see that it has an option of downloading and set as wallpaper. So this is a great app which I am using, and lock screen I am using. If you can see in lock screen, this is a wallpaper which I am using in my lock screen, which is from wallpaper QHD. You can see the detailing thing which is coming. So let's see that it has a different section of category of, if we would zoom it, of popularity of categories of different types of random clicks, then categories, colors. If you want to choose the colors, if you want to go for black, you can go a different categories of blacks also. So as per the different types of varieties, you can get the wallpapers. Now let's go to the second app. So I'll exit it. The second app which we would talk about is known as TechieWiki. Now it is an app which is, for as per knowledge, it is a very great app, and it is also known by Tech Viral. In these you can see that you would get tricks of different types of aspects, and how to create fake WhatsApp conversation accounts, or news regarding WhatsApp, or any hack which is going upon. Or you can see, you can also get news regarding different types of areas like virality news, like there are different sponsors also, Truecaller balance, then 6 helpful websites to quickly info into your PC and Android, then quick ways to boot up slow Windows PC. These are different types of tricks which you would get. This is also great. You can list it on your my wish list, and you can see that you would get different types of apps, different types of news related to Tech Viral. It's very helpful. The app's name was Techie Viral. Now let's go to the third app. The third app which goes on talks about any to-do list. It depends upon that what kind of day-to-day activities you do. You can plan it, and you can set a reminder as per your convenience, and see that hi Abhijit, it is telling, and it has been deleted, and can, for the grocery list, for the work, for the personal, you can categorize it on the basis of that, and you can add your task. This is very great. So the fourth app which we would be using is known as the Heads Up. Now this is a notification app, in which there would be a notification bar which would be coming from upward direction. If I would get any message or anything, if I would set it on, then it would be showing, I would get, and that is very great. The fifth app is called Clean Master, which is very great and exaggerating app, in which there are morely 10 million downloads in Android, and it is play. It is free, so you can use it. The dependency on this app is that you can clear your junk files at any stretch, and it automatically calculates your jerk files, your residual jerks, your add jerks, and etc. And it would cumulate and make you a MB of how much data you want to be getting crashing. So you can remove them, and you can see that your memory would be cleared, and you can download different apps also from again, if there is no worries. So let's go for the last app which I was telling. So the last app is a game which I normally play, and it is very great game and famous game. Yeah, I am around having 11 per second tiles, piano tiles, which is a great game, and 11 per second I am having a record. and usually I play this whenever I get free time. So there is a login process which would go, so there is no issues. If you don't want to log in, then you can go for it freely. You have to do one thing: you can select the music, in which music you want to play, and you can select play button. Now see that the timing of that depends upon how much you are going, tiles passes by, and you can see the score. So some ads also comes in between, so it's very lethargic. So let's play it. This is the way you can play this game, and it is very famous game. As per your convenience, you can do it. If it passes on, it means that you have